Senate Committee Chair on Labor and Human Development Raffy Tulfo wants DOLE field inspectors to don or wear body cameras in their worksite inspections to keep employers and inspectors honest during the entirety of the proceedings. This after Kamanava workers complained of not being duly compensated, as our Mary Vel Custodio reports.
I dared DOLE na ipresenta sa akin yung pangalan ng mga field inspector sa Kamanaba because hiriting ko sa budget deliberation, pagsisibakin mga yon.
Senator Raffy Tulfo challenged the Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, during the first hearing of the Committee on Labor, Employment, and the Human Resources Development on the proposed wage hike. This comes after the senator received complaints about the workers in the said area not being paid properly.
Yung DOLE nag-inspect, pumunta lang diretso sa opisina ng HR, paglabas may kasama ng envelope na makapal, hindi man lang kinausap yung mga workers.
Kung meron pong inspeksyon at hindi po kami masasabi natin na satisfied dun sa halimbawa po ang merong mga nakakaabot na reklamo, pero ang resulta po ng inspection ay no violation finding, ibabalidate po namin yan dahil maliwanag po na hindi siya tumutugma doon po sa mismong mga ikangay nagsasabi na mayroong mga paglabag sa mga umiral.
Senator Raffy Tulfo suggested that DOLE field inspectors wear body cameras or record videos during their inspection. He also warned that if corrupt inspectors are not removed and if they continue neglecting their duties, he will block DOLE's budget for 2026. The Labor Department, meanwhile, expressed their commitment to further strengthen the inspection system for proper wage implementation. In line with this, the Senate hearing also tackled the proposed minimum wage increase and the establishment of a concrete basis for cost of living.
The reality is that the difference in the cost of living across regions is really not that large.
The National Capital Region currently has the highest minimum wage at 695 pesos per day for non-agricultural workers. The lowest is in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao at 411 pesos. That's more than 200 pesos less compared to Metro Manila. DOLE laid out 3 standards in determining the minimum wage. This includes the needs of workers and their families, the capacity of employers to pay, and the requirements of socio-economic and social living. But according to the senators, while food prices may be lowered in the provinces, fuel prices are often higher compared to Metro Manila. This is why, aside from minimum wage hike, the committee is pushing to narrow the wage gap between Metro Manila and other regions to ensure that salary match the needs of Filipino workers. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.